Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest and welcome to the stock of the day, IPD Group. Now, I took a position in this company just after they IPO'd when the company released a profit upgrade or at least a positive trading update. On the 25th of November, IPD Group released a negative trading update with the share price down at 12%. Now, one of the reasons I want to discuss this company and this particular announcement is not only the financial year, no, the first half 25 earnings guidance announcement, but also what happened to the share price leading up to this particular day. I think there are some fishy things, or there were fishy things happening with the share price. If you just look at the trade history, the 2 days leading up to this particular negative announcement, share price dropped 6.6% on Thursday, 21st of November, and then a further 4.6% on the 22nd on increased volume. This is a sign that someone knew there was going to be something negative. Now, it could be just a coincidence, but coincidences don't happen all that often. So I think there's something more happening here. And this is the sort of situation that I think ASIC should do some investigation. So up to you, ASIC, do some investigation. Have a look at who was selling their IPD Group shares on the 21st and 22nd, because I don't think it's a coincidence. There was a lot of selling on these 2 days, and then on the 25th, the next trading day, there was a negative announcement released by the company. Okay, but how negative is this announcement? That's the next thing I want to talk about. I think this is an opportunity. Now, I should be absolutely clear. Now, I am a shareholder of this company, but I have taken profits. And the main reason I've taken profits is simply as a de-risk, because I'm significantly in profits, and I thought I should take some profits just in case the share price starts to move into a down trend, because I do have my processes, I have my rules, and I've got to stick to my rules. Now, if I continue to see share price be weak, struggling to move higher from here, I will sell out the rest of my holdings in this company. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this particular announcement from the company. And I think it's not absolutely negative. Now, the reason why the market is selling off is they provided the first half statutory results, first half this is for financial year 24, first half financial year 24 pro forma results. This is because they made an acquisition. And if they made that acquisition at the start of financial year 24, these are numbers we would have produced. And then they provided the first half 25 guidance. And the problem is the guidance for the first half of this year, EBITDA and EBIT, both down from the pro forma. That's negative. That is meaning the company is not performing in this particular half year. But there are reasons behind that. And I'll talk about the reasons why this could be an opportunity to buy this company that is now starting to look pretty good value. Now, they also mention revenue for the first half is expected to exceed the previous corresponding period pro forma. So higher revenue, lower EBITDA and EBIT, which means there is margin compression. But they did talk about why there is margin compression, and it's not bad news. It's actually, it could be really good news for the future of this company. So let's have a look at this. So this is from Michael Sainsbury, the CEO, talking about we are pleased to remain on track, blah, blah, blah. Amidst the macroeconomic challenges in the commercial construction, we have seen our order book transition from daily trade to larger and more complex orders, which typically have longer lead times and less certainty around delivery timing. This resulted in a proportion of orders that would previously have already become invoiced revenue now sitting in our order backlog. We have made additional investments into our operating cost base to generate and deliver these additional orders, which will impact margins for first half financial year 25. Our operating cost base, however, is well placed to service future growth. So what they're saying is we're spending money in this particular half year for the future growth, because we do expect some expansion in our sales, which is not necessarily a bad thing. So in a way, the market is reacting quite short term when it comes to this company, not really long-term thinking, but the chart does look weak. We have seen a breakout or breakdown of the chart. So this is something I've been paying attention to recently, because share price really not doing anything. So have a look at the daily chart. There's me buying $1.44 many years ago on a nice little trading update from the company. And this is the first time I have been negative about the chart since then. Now, we had that big sell-off the last 2 days, which is really fishy. Share price really not doing anything before then all of a sudden share price dropped 2 consecutive days. Share price dropping below 420 was a breakdown. And today we have seen a bit of sell-off. Share price open at $4 is now currently at $3.65. So we have seen selling throughout the day, no buying. So no enthusiasm of the buyers just yet to prop up the share price. Now at 360, that is the lows the share price went to back in October 2023. So that could be a support level right there at 360. So if the share price falls below that, that would be another negative movement in the share price of this company. Okay, so negative looking chart. I think the announcement is not as bad as what the market is thinking right now. And I wouldn't be surprised to see the negative sentiment in this company start to transition more to positive, particularly if value investors see some value in this company. Okay, that's all I have for this video on IPD Group. If you have any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who's qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.